Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:43 a.m.
Alexa, how's the weather outside?
Right now in Iowa, it's 0 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 3 degrees and a low of 0 degrees.
Well, the car and the Jeep in about 5-6 minutes, and then we're gonna go skiing. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to Davos, which is a place which has always been very, very special to me, because when I first came to Switzerland, that's where I lived for about the first 7 years of my life, and I experienced 7 magical winter seasons and 7 amazing summer seasons. So let's go do some skiing. Let's hit the road, and it's now about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I think, like, within the grand scheme of things, we're gonna be up in Davos by about 9 o'clock. And because somebody stole my helmet, we're gonna have to do a little bit of shopping before we hit the slopes. So I reckon I'd say by about 10 o'clock we're going to be on the slopes of Davos. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be exciting. Hi guys, so we're on the way, and it looks like daylight is trying to break through. It's quite misty up there. First we're going for breakfast, and the place where we're going now is it's a legendary watering hole by the name of Heideland. And Heideland is basically just at it's at the base of the entrance to some of the best skiing resorts in the whole of Europe, if not the whole world. And basically it's traditional for the skiers to stop here and have a breakfast or a coffee, or you know, do the last thing before they jump back into the car, and they do the final track up to the villages. And it actually belongs to the Mövenpick group, and the concept is what they call Le Marche. There we go, there's Heideland, incorporating Burger King. Ooh. Yeah, like I said, you know, this is completely it's a part of the whole legend of skiing. You know, you to come to Heideland first and queue up with your tray and grab all the beautiful food on offer, the different breads and the bakery stuff, croissants. And there's one little corner which is quite special, and they do rösti, which can only be, I've heard the Americans call it Swiss potato cake, which is like fried potatoes, and they serve it up with like a fried egg, or you can put some bacon on side it. To be quite honest, bacon's not necessary. It's not, everybody loves bacon, but with rösti, with a fried egg on the top, oh, happy days, man, happy days. Let's take a look at Heideland. Nicer. See everybody piling off the buses now. guys. So, got ourselves nice and sat down. Everything's wooden, smells wooden, looks wooden. It's got to be. And we've gone for the healthy option today for breakfast. No fatty bacon. Today's supposed to be a day of sport and entertainment. So there's going to be no alcohol, no unhealthy breakfast, no drugs. Nah, we need drugs. We'll get a coffee later. What have we got there? We've got some muesli, we've got some fruit vegan muesli there. It's one of my favourite breakfasts actually. And then we've just got a piece of kind of healthy bread with all the grain and nuts and stuff inside it, just to fill me up a little bit of a carb shot. Ovaltine, whole ice cold. Happy days. Oh, here we go, guys. That was a well-deserved breakfast. Believe me, that was well deserved. Oh, I feel much better after that little break. And of course, it's nice once again to be driving in daylight. To be driving. Yeah, it does actually get quite exciting now because everyone's like had the breakfast, and there's a lot of coaches and buses, and they come over from the big cities like Zurich and Bern, and Basel, and they bring all the the young skiers with them because they're not really that expensive, the ski buses in Switzerland. And after Heideland, this is now the platform for moving out into the ski areas, into the villages. And the way that we're going now, we're about to get off the motorway in about a kilometre or so, and then we're going to go directly up to Davos. What's the weather outside?
It's currently cloudy at -1 degree in April. Expect cloudy skies starting in the evening and snow tonight with mixed conditions for the rest of the day. Today's high will be 2 degrees and the low will be -1.
We're leaving the motorway now. We're going to turn off and head up for Davos, but you can see there is some clarity beyond the clouds. The clouds are not hanging as low as they possibly could be. The visibility is actually quite good at the back. There is a slight colourful hue which is clinging onto the landscape, and that can only mean one thing. Basically, that means that I think it's going to clear up. I really think it's going to clear up. I think we're in for a good day today. There we go, and here's the suspension bridge, and somewhere below us would be the village of Cloisters. Famous little village. As most people know, the English royal family spend their skiing holidays there. Prince Charles. Not a problem, we're going to come out of the tunnel now as we go around the bend. The condition of the roads now worsening. I can imagine that this morning, early on, the snow ploughs have been down to clear the snow overnight, but it's not enough. Zilly, what's the altitude?
It looks like you're at approximately 1,417 meters.
Well, we've just arrived on the outskirts of Davos. This is the first kind of sub-area of Davos. It's called Davos Wolfgang, and it's going to take us now past the lake of Davos, which you're not going to see because it will be frozen over and it will be covered in snow. But believe me, in the summertime, it's a beautiful little lake. It really is. Siri, what is the temperature outside?
It's -4 degrees outside.
Well, Here we go. Oh, there's the Jakobsson, the Vogelbahn coming down right in front of us. Ooh, that looks brilliant. So, little man, where do you want me? Oh, lucky. Salut, Boss. Alles gut, alles klar? Oh, happy day. You can wait. You can wait. Oh, happy day. There we go. We've arrived. Hi guys, here we are. Made it all the way. It took us a few hours, a little bit longer than what we expected, but we made it. Ooh, it's cold. Get some clothes on. Get some clothes on. And the first problem which we encountered is that somebody stole my helmet at home. I wonder who that could have been. So we had to go and buy a new skiing helmet, and I think the price of the helmet would have actually taken me to Thailand on an off-peak period flight. So there we go. New helmet. Ooh. Cool. Hi guys. Well, here we are. Totally on the piste again. Yeah, just a little word to the conditions of the snow. It's cold. It's quite cold. I can feel it on my lips and my nose now, and it looks like the sun is well hidden behind the clouds. But the snow is a dream, man. It is a dream come true. It really is.